Hi folks. Well, it seemed to be the thing that all the cool kids are doing this year, so I had to get in on it, and I have admittedly done myself no favors not having one all these years. So I built myself an action settling machine. When you rebuild a piano action, fresh with new fresh parts or fresh claws, all those claws and leathers and such are all fluffy and just so fresh that they're going to squeeze down a little bit really quick. And if you don't take that little bit of settling out of the equation before the action leaves your shop, well, it just means the action will sort of drift a little bit once it gets to its new home, and you will need to take care of it. And since that can be taken care of before it leaves, it's sensible to do so. So now that I've got my senses, I built a nice machine. So as you can see, it's pretty simple. It's just a electric motor with a cogwheel on it. And it's driven by a reduction motor, like a 40-to-1 reduction motor, and it just raises and lowers the bar. So let's see if I can get this thing to function. There it is. All its glory. High speed power. Relentless precision. And this up here, of course, is my can of leads for variable downward force. Okay, so let me put this in front of the piano and show how it works. Okay, I got it positioned in front of the Chickering 109C, and as you can see, it's only working the whites. It's no big deal to move it a little bit further and have it do the blacks. But this is about as hard as I'd want to hit them. It's only for settling things in. And goes on like this for a while, I guess. Thanks for watching.